So remember last time I posted on my Instagram, if anyone could find what this is, we'll get extra $5. Well, guess what? Coming back to pick it up. I left it here. I hope you guys guessed it, but if you guys haven't guessed it, it's actually a door. Check it out. So I'm gonna wrap it today. You're gonna see what it is. Check it out. That's what it is. It's actually a door. All right. I left the door right here because I couldn't return it, right? So I changed the door on my car, and now we're gonna pick it up and we're gonna return it back to the junkyard. The good thing, you save your receipts. All right, don't lose your receipts when you get it from the junkyard. Save your receipt and you can get your money back. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna have to pick it up because I don't have a little carreta to actually take it, but we're gonna use our manpower to actually take it back to the store. All right. Here, like if it was a homeless encampment right here, they probably thought a homeless was living here. Doesn't matter, that's not even tent right here, and nobody even told me nothing. Check it out. Empty street. We would have been right here. Good thing I left this door before Labor Day, so I left it pretty much over the weekend. Left it here for like 3-4 days, and now we're finally here to pick it up, right? It's in good shape. We're gonna get our money back, and now I didn't have to take it home or do it like last time, put it in the back seat when it didn't fit, right? These would definitely be helpful. You get one, you show your ID, and you can get the part. So we're gonna get one right now. Check it out. Cool. Now we have the cart, now we got the door, you don't have to carry it. There you have it, got my money back. And that's pretty much how a junkyard works, pretty much, right? You leave it, you exchange it, you return it, you can get your money back. I had no idea. There you go, I fixed the door. There you have it. Window goes all the way up, and window goes all the way down. And if you guys want to see the outside of it, it's even better because it's not even damaged. So you guys check it out. It's a brand new door, very nice and smooth. Ain't even got the headlight, right? That's why I came back to get it, because the other door, if you see my video, this headlight didn't have the blinker on. So every time you turn right, this headlight flashes, right? The other one didn't. And now this one's a brand new door again. No damage right here. Super cool, super smooth. And it's a good professional car detail. I'm gonna wash both two cars. They're clean cars, and I'm gonna show you guys a professional job detail, all right? If you have any questions about how the junkyard works, if you guys want me to go to the junkyard for you guys, let me know, send me a comment below, and I'll probably even fix your car.